Welcome to our channel. Today's topic is percentage. Applications of percentage going to be very useful for us in different topics such as profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, time and work, time of distance, simplifications, data interpretation, etc. It is really important topic for all aspirants who are preparing for competitive exams. Before we start, actually what is percentage mean? Per means for every. Cent means 100. So percentage means for every 100. For example, if a student got 87% in mathematics exams, that means he got 87 marks out of 100 marks. Another student got 63% in science exam, that means he got 63 marks out of 100 marks. Now we will see how to do fast calculations. Suppose if we take a number 840. What is 100% of 840? 100% is nothing but a number itself. So here is 840. I will tell you another example for the 100%. What is 100% of 20? The value is 20 because 100% is nothing but a number itself. 100% of 30 is 30. 100% of 7 is 7. 100% of 95 is 95. 100% of 358 is 358. So 100% is nothing but a number itself. Here number, so 100% of 840 is 840 only. Now what is 10% of 840? Usually what are you going to do? 10% means you are doing 10 divided by 100 times 840. You are cancelling here and here and here and here. You will get value is 84 like that. But this process takes long time. We should not follow this. Then how to calculate much faster? I will show you. If you want to do 10%, remember one simple point. You have to, starting from right hand side, move just one digit. Starting from right hand side, just move just one digit and place a decimal point. And here. So that means, so 840, from right hand side, you have to move one digit and place a decimal point. After decimal point, 0 does not have any value, so we should not take this 0. So what is 10% of 840? So it is 84. Now we will see what is 1% of 840. Starting from right hand side, here you have to move 2 digits and keep a decimal point. So in 840, from right hand side you have to move 2 digits. This is one digit and another digit. Here you place a decimal point. So that which is 8.4. 1% of 840 is 8.4. Again I am explaining. 100% of 840 is 840 in number itself. And what is 10% of 840 is, for that you have to do, from right hand side move one digit and keep a decimal point, which is 84.0. After decimal point, 0 does not have any value. So we should not take, just write 84. What is 1% of 840? Here, from right hand side, move 2 digits and keep a decimal point. Then you will get 8.4. Now we will see what is 50% of 840. 50 is nothing but half of 100. So 100% is 840 and 50% is you have to make it half this 840. So what is half of 840? It's 420. Then we will see what is 5% of 840. 5 means half of 10. So half of 84 is 42. Using this method, you can do any of the problem. I will show you how to do. The first question is 52% of 210. So here value is 210. How to solve fastly? 100% of 210 is 210. 10% of 210 is, from right hand side move one digit and place a decimal point, that means 21.0. so that is 21. So 1% of 210 is, here from right hand side move 2 digits and keep a decimal point, so that is 1 2. So here decimal point comes 2.1. And then 50% is, so half of 210. What is half of 210? 105. So Using these values, you can simply find the 52% percentage of 210. This 52% you can write as a 50 plus 1 plus 1 percentage. 50 percentage is 105, and then 1 percentage is 2.1, then again 1 percentage is 2.1. If you add all, you will get 109.2. So 52% of 210 is 109.2. Like this, simply you can do much faster. I will show you another example. 56% of 838. First, what is 100% of 838? A number itself. So that is 838 only. 10% of 838 is, we have to from right side move one digit and place a decimal point. So that is 83.8. What is 1% of 838? From right hand side move two digits, keep a decimal point. So that is 8.38. What is 50% of 838? That is half of 838. Half of 838 is 419. Then what is 5% of 838? What is 5% of 838? 5% means half of 10. 83.8 half is, that is 83.8 divided by 2, you will get 41.9. Within 1 minute you can solve these values. So now you will see 56, you can write it as a 50 plus 5 plus 1 percentage of 838 is 50 means 419. 5 percentage is 41.9. 1 percentage is 8.38. So if you do all the addition, you will get 469.28. So within 2-3 seconds you can solve this type of questions. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting topics in future. I will explain one more example. 20% of 60. So what is 100% of 60 is 60 only. So what is 10% of 60 is, you have to from right hand side move one digit, keep a decimal point, that is 6.0. 6.0. So 0 we are not taking. They are asking only 20%. So we can do 10 plus 10. So 10% of 60 is 6. Again 10% of 60 is 6. So the value is 12. So 20% of 60 is 12. Like this, simply we can find the problems. I will explain one more example. 40% of 60. First you have to take 100% of 60. What is 100% of 60? So it is a number itself. So it is 60. What is 10% of 60? From right hand side move one digit and place a decimal point. So you have to move. And then what is 50%? 50% is nothing but half of 100. 100 value is 60. Half of 60 is 30. They are asking 40%. So here you have to do 50 minus 10%. That means what is 50%? That is 30. Then minus 10% is 6. So if we do subtraction, we will get 40% of 60 is 24. 21% of 358. First you have to do 100% of 358 is a number itself, that is 358. Then 10% of 358 is, we have from right hand side move one digit and keep a decimal point. And then what is 1% of 358? Here from right hand side move two digits, keep a decimal point. And then here 21% they are asking. So here you have to write 10 plus 1. So what is 10? 35.8. Again plus 35.8. Then plus 1. 1 is 3.58. If you do addition, you will get the answer 75.18. 21% of 358 is 75.18. Simply you can solve like this. Within 2-3 seconds you can find out easily. I will explain one more example. 35% of 500. First you have to check what is 100% of 500. 100% is a number itself, so which is 500. So what is 10 percentage of, so from right hand side move one digit and keep a decimal point. So here decimal point comes. So after decimal point 0 does not have any value. So you are not taking 0, you have to take only 50, that is 50. So 10 percentage of 500 is 50. Then go with 50 percentage. What is 50 percentage of 500? So 50 is nothing but half of 100. So half of 500 is 250. And then what is 5 percentage? What is 5 percentage? This is half of 10. Half of 10 by 50 is 25. Calculate this 35 percentage. 35 percentage is, you can write 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So what is a 10 percentage? 50. What is again 10 percentage? 50. Again 10 is 50 plus what is 5? 25. So total 50 plus 50, 100, 100 plus 50, 150, 150 plus 25, 7, 175. So 35% of 500 is 175. Like that simply you can solve your percentage problems. 75% of 95. First you had to write for 100%. What is 100% of 95? A number itself. So that is 95 only. And then what is 10% of 95? So you have to from right hand side move one digit and keep a decimal point. Then go with 50%. What is 50%? Half of 100. Half of 100. 95 is 47.5. What is 5% of 95? So 5% is nothing but half of 10. Half of 10 is 9.5. Half is 4.75. So now solve this 75%. How can you write this? 50 plus 10 plus 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. 70 plus 5 is 75. So 75% of 95 is, first add all this. 50 is 47.5 plus 10 is 9.5. Again 10 is 9.5. Then again 5 is 4.75. If you add all this, we will get 71.25. So 75% of 95 is 71.25. Like that simply solve these percentage problems. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.